So that speaks a lot in terms of their expectation and what we could actually do right till now. The IRS figures also talks a bit of it. In the last 2 years, we have grown from a meager 40 to maybe a meager 132. But there's, of course, a strong growth in terms of the base that we have had. And very recently, FX had also put the same story up with the high readership growth in TTIS. I guess that sums up my presentation in terms of how do we go about getting to the readers, young readers of 4 to 14. Beyond that, of course, we do have the Telegraph's lifestyle and entertainment supplement called the T2, which takes care of the 16 years and aboves, which has been relaunched very recently from a 16-page tabloid to being a 24-page tabloid. But this is how we go for 4 to 14, and there are some results, so we are okay. Any questions?
Thank you. Questions for Dipanjan? Microphone, please.
Hi, did ABP Group, my name is, okay, of course I was there. Did ABP Group ever, was contemplating of coming up a completely separate product? Like you've priced it, but I mean in terms of all the content, the main news, national news, international news, completely, because you already have 2 TGs, which you have clearly identified, and these are in a way aligned with Telegraph, in a way.
So but this
completely separate product.
But this product is absolutely independent.
So like I mean to say, in the morning at houses, like a regular vendor carries it, and the subscription model.
The regular vendor do carry the TTIS as well. So it's a weekly one. But yeah, if you talk about if you want to increase the frequency to daily, of course there hasn't been any much discussion on that front. So being a daily newspaper rather than a weekly one. But as a weekly one, this is an absolutely independent in terms of its editorial content and its philosophy, which is not governed with the Telegraph content or the philosophy in that way, except for that fact that catch them young and watch them grow.
All the pages that you seem to show did not have any advertisements. So how does the revenue model work exactly?
No, of course, advertisements were not put over here. We do have sizable advertisements coming in. Of course, the on-ground connects that we have and taking the leveraging that, we do get sponsors on board, as Alok was also mentioning. So that is also a definite revenue model. On top of it, I think it's exceptional being a newspaper, but still making money on the cover price. But we do that.
I have a question for you. Yeah. And you mentioned about readers contributing, the Tigers.
Yeah.
Do you have experience of migrating? What happened after the school? Do they continue to contribute to the main newspaper?
Honestly, there is no study towards it. One thing that we have found is the Tigers do not want to graduate out of TTIS. So usually, this is a school, so to say, newspaper. So after 12, people are supposed to move out to the next product. And of course, they do move to the next product. But I think it's the emotional connect that we have seen. Even now, one of the Tigers that we have has passed out 2 years back. And he had been a driving force in actually building the other Tigers. So this is kind of a connect that we have seen. But of course, if you are coming back to your question, if we speak about a natural progression from the Telegraph in schools to Telegraph, of course, we haven't done a research yet on that.
Thank you for a fascinating presentation.
Thank you.
2 or 3 things. Could you just confirm it is or it is not bundled with the newspaper once a week, or is it completely separate? That's point number 1. Number 2, you mentioned you go to schools, you have links with schools. About how many schools? And number 3, how useful is it as a language teaching publication, in that you mentioned lots of kids are English speaking or English reading, but does it also help other kids who are not starting at having English in an English medium school, for example,
Right.
to learn English?
Yeah. So firstly, it is an independent product sold and distributed independently. It's not part of the Telegraph newspaper. So it has its own cover price and it is sold separately. Second question, I've lost it. Yeah, so how many schools we're talking about? If we look at my subscription base, we go to more than 250 schools, Calcutta and outside. Of course, not all schools subscribe for the full strength, but give and take, we have 250 schools where we reach. And thirdly, we were talking about language. Yeah. All right. See, this is what we feel about the language, and that is how we also take it from the marketing side. This being pitched primarily, if I take the midpoint of my target group, it is about class 6. And that is for my English medium school students. Now, when I look at the vernacular medium schools in Bengal, there has been a vacuum for political and other reasons where the English was only introduced after class 6. So what has now happened is the quality of English, even within the new crop of teachers who have come from that era of education, is quite weak. So what we really see is, which is this product being okay for up to class 8 and the class 9s, would be pitched from class 8 onwards for the vernacular languages. So this would be taken as a teaching aid for the higher classes than it is usually for the English medium school students. Yeah. I'll come back.
I'm Subramaniam here.
Hi.
The popular notion is like newspapers are meant to be read every day. And being a newspaper which has got great connect with schools, and this being a weekly, you issue only on every Monday.
Yeah.
How do you sustain that reading habit on the rest of the days?
All right. So, of course, this is more of a mag paper rather than the newspaper. So it's a magazine paper kind of thing. If you see its cover story, it's built on the magazine style. The weekly update of the news feature is put over there to do a recap of the best things that have happened. The idea over here is to get them involved towards the whole idea about looking forward to the newspaper. And in this case, it helps because it is my newspaper. So it's about this harping on that emotional connect that it is my newspaper, so I read. Once they get into the hook or take the hook and get into the fold of newspaper reading, of course the newspapers, there will be some newspaper, be it Telegraph, be it something else, coming to their household. So the whole idea is they will carry that forward to the other newspapers in the household.
Hello, I'm Samhita. I'm Dipanjan's colleague. I just wanted to put in one word that ABP does have something called Teen TT, which comes out in schools every day. And it is a watered down version of the main paper, where we take out the really boring stuff which kids wouldn't be interested in, and where they get the daily dose of news, as well as a lot of features that we have with the main paper. So I think with that product, the group is trying to inculcate a daily reading habit. And with TTIS, what, as he said, is it's their paper. That's where they make it. So that's, I just wanted to talk about that product. Thank you.
It's very fascinating the way the product is structured, and as we were talking offline,
Yeah.
I said, we are also very intrigued with the TTIS product. I just wanted to understand, since somebody else also raised the question that it's a once-a-week product, so I should imagine it sort of doesn't qualify for ABC, does it?
Yeah, it does,
It
as a
does,
weekly.
As a magazine?
Yeah, as a weekly.
As a weekly?
Yeah.
Okay, so what exactly is the circulation? Because you've talked of readership,
Right.
and you said 77,000, which is a very big number, and many congratulations
Yeah,
to you
thanks.
as a group.
It's actually 1.32 lakhs is the
No, the
current
increase, you said the
increase,
increase
yeah,
in
with 77 lakhs.
readership.
Yeah.
So what is the current circulation, if I may ask?
The last ABC figures are 40,000, but currently we are more than 55,000.
I see, that's inclusive of school and outside
Yes,
school.
all inclusive.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm sure that these numbers will reflect in the next ABC.
sure. Thank you.
And I have another question. You spoke about high schools getting more into social networking like Facebook and etc. Do you do anything to include that in your program? For the high school product.
One is the website that we have today. We are trying to build on that to encourage and engage students and my target group on the web platform. The second is we have already started a Facebook property as well to have more traffic onto my web property, and then again use the linkage with the web, with the print over there itself.
Thank you.
Yeah, how do you manage the circulation during summer vacations or winter vacations?
So, actually, whatever my circulation is today, not all is going to schools. Most of it is going to homes directly. So that continues to grow. The ones that are going to school, that happens with this. The arrangement happens on a school-to-school basis. So in some schools, they ask us to continue to send it, and then they distribute when the schools reopen. And for others, we hold on to the copies and are distributed together once the school reopens.